Can you hear me? Am I audible? I hope you can respond. Neeraj,
Yes, sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neeraj, can you tell me just, I'm just losing track of time. So, could you tell me if what did we do in our last tutorial?
Sir, you have discussed about email writing.
Okay, what are the points I have discussed in email writing?
Sir, you have done till advantage.
Advantage. Did I discuss uh, importance of email writing? Significance of email writing?
No, sir.
No,
No, no.
I have only discussed advantages.
Yes, sir.
अगर what you say is correct, then I will move forward. Okay. Um, in the last class, so you have seen how email has been carrying certain. There are some salient advantages. The cost effectiveness, वो obviously रहता है हमेशा. तो वो हमेशा वो आपको मिल जाएगा. ईमेल में मिनिमल कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व होता है. Email is the fastest means of communication. Emails, the coverage of emails is huge. The geographical coverage. You can, text a mail to anywhere. Even this international space station has its own, you know, satellite networking. So somebody present, suppose if somebody in the coming days reaches Mars and he has network connectivity over there uh, through the International Space Station, he would be, getting your email in the same time compared to his location when his location is probably Canada or something like that. तो ये या फिर वो अगर पटियाला में है अगर है तो आपके यहाँ से पटियाला में एक मेल पहुंचने में जितना टाइम लगता है उतना ही टाइम मार्स में पहुंचने में भी लग जाएगा. And there were certain other points that I had discussed in advantages. Coming to what makes email so important in today's world. Yes, importance comes with some of the advantages. Okay, so when we are talking about, uh, let me share the screen so that. So when you are talking about the advantages, वहाँ पे ये फास्टेस्ट मीडियम होना ये इम्पोर्टेंट कर देता है. सॉरी, आज तो इम्पोर्टेंस कर रहे हैं ना. फास्टेस्ट मीडियम ऑफ इंटरेक्शन होना यही इसको इम्पोर्टेंट बना देता है. People can use it more and more. And since it is the fastest, you will say, sir, what about WhatsApp? It is faster than sending email, because WhatsApp बहुत जल्दी चेक हो जाता है compared to emails. हाँ, बात सच है, but there is this particular thing of I mean remaining formal. So formal means of communication, अगर उसके ऊपर when you are talking about that pillar, then you have to consider emails. Emails are more formal than WhatsApp, obviously. And there is that personal touch in emails, in technical communication. uh, I mean, compared to business letters or memos, it is true that emails are less formal than business letters, than application letter, letter of complaint, letter of inquiry. Email is relatively less formal than that, but doesn't mean email is informal. So that is the difference. So this fastest medium of communication, this particular fact makes emails important in today's world. Second is its distribution, or you can say the coverage. So wherever you are, the geographical location does not matter. I can reach you within, you know, a split of a second. So you don't need to have a पोस्ट ऑफिस फॉर दैट पर्पस. तो ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, ये उसको इम्पोर्टेंस में उसका ऐड कर देता है. देन इम्पोर्टेंस में ये भी आ जाता है क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है ईमेल. ईमेलिंग क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस. व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवनेस, ये भी, ये एडवांटेज भी है, ये इम्पोर्टेंट भी है. ये इम्पोर्टेंट भी बनाता है आज की दुनिया में. अब ये चीज you know some kbs spent in a particular mail costs you very less, compared to a postcard or a letter that you post in the postal services. Compared to it is very low. अब आप बोलोगे सर व्हाट अबाउट द कंप्यूटर? Buying that is relatively, it's a huge price we have to pay. बट वो तो आप एक मेल सेंड करने के लिए नहीं कर रहे हो, और ना ही ईमेल करने के लिए आप लैपटॉप खरीदे. अगर ईमेल खरीदने के लिए खरीदना होता अगर कोई चीज, तो आप एक मतलब फोन ही खरीद लेते. टिकाऊ सा एक फोन आपको मिल जाएगा 5,000 रुपए में, आराम से बैठ के करो जितना जितना ईमेल करना है. उससे भी कम में आ सकता है, बट 5,000 में हाँ वो चलेगा. एक महीने बाद जब आपको दुकान दिखेगा तो यू विल नो दैट कि हाँ चल रहा है. तो यू वोंट स्टैंडर्ड दैट पर्सन. Thanks. I hope, Neeraj, you can just, because since you don't have, you haven't muted yourself, I urge you some background, you know, operation was taking place, and it was hampering the class. Now, जो अगला पॉइंट आ रहा है वो है कन्वर्सेशनल टोन. कन्वर्सेशनैलिटी. कन्वर्सेशनैलिटी में ये पॉइंट में emails are important because they are less formal, that's true, but they are at least serving as more, you know uh, I mean, in corporate goodwill. When you talk about corporate goodwill, building corporate goodwill amongst yourselves, तब जो कन्वर्सेशनलिटी रिक्वायर्ड है वो ईमेल के थ्रू से ज्यादा फॉर्मल होता है कंपेयर टू अ व्हाट्सएप मैसेज। मैं आपके व्हाट्सएप मैसेज को कोई ये नहीं कर सकता। व्हाट्सएप में आप लिख दिए मीटिंग है, तो ये कोई तरीका नहीं है ऐसे व्हाट्सएप कर देना। वहाँ तो व्हाट्सएप तो कोई भी कर सकता है। मुझे कैसे पता कि आपके ही आपने एक ऑफिशियली बुलाया है। ऑफिशियल कैपेसिटी में बुलाना है तो मुझे मेल करो, मैं आपके मेल का जवाब मेल के थ्रू से ही दे दूंगा कि आ रहा हूँ। लेकिन व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू से मैं नहीं करूँगा, ये दिस इज नॉट ऑफिशियल। लेकिन आजकल वही लोग ज्यादा व्हाट्सएप से ऑपरेट करते हैं, तो चलो ठीक है व्हाट्सएप को ही मान लेते हैं। मान लेने के ऊपर है, बट इट्स जस्ट अ टेम्पोररी वॉइड, फीलिंग अप ऑफ द वॉइड। वो हो नहीं सकता। कोई अगर पैरामीटर के तौर पे एक यूनिवर्सिटी दिखाएगा कि हम लोग व्हाट्सएप से ऑपरेट करते हैं, तो फिर हो गया, वो यूनिवर्सिटी ही बंद हो जाएगा। तो दैट इज ट्रू। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट that comes makes I mean what makes emails so important in today's world? Highest, I mean, importance. It renders authenticity to any particular information. So authentic piece of record के तौर पे, authentic piece of record के तौर पे emails बहुत अच्छा सर्व करता है। So these are the points that you should cover in importance. Next, uh, you know question that you should think about is, or you might be asked, characteristics of a good email। भैया ये वाला अच्छे से याद कर लो। अभी जो हम बताएंगे इसको थोड़ा सा एकदम डोंट फॉरगेट इट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, करेक्टनेस। करेक्टनेस अर्थात करेक्टनेस अर्थात प्रिसीशन नहीं, सॉरी, करेक्टनेस का मतलब है करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन भेजना, सेंड करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन और डेटा। ensure that you have sent correct information or data. Ensure the fact that uh, you have not committed. So avoid spelling, grammar, um, mistakes। ये भैया याद रख लेना। This comes in your point correctness. Next point is uh, please be concise, be precise, precision. Precision means long narratives, you should avoid in your emails. If you are speaking about participating in a conference, do not speak about what you will be doing at 10 o'clock. I mean, you want to say that you are interested to take part in a particular conference. You don't have to answer why do you want to take part in that conference. You don't have to say what are the things you will be doing in the conference. अगर पूछा है वो, तब आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं। वो वो सब बड़े बड़े लोगों के लिए होता है, आपको आपसे वो सब पूछा नहीं जाएगा. So you what you have to think about is I have to maintain a sense of, you know, relative dignity. I have to maintain, you know, a decorum in writing. I should not prolong my sentences, otherwise it will disinterest my audience. I mean, grow disinterest among my reader, not audience. Sorry. So uh, avoid exaggeration. Exaggeration means um, hyperbolic expressions. So, suppose you want to inform that you are interested to participate in a conference, say that, uh, dear sir, I am keenly interested to take part in the conference that is taking place on this date. But if you say, yes, sir, it is my humble honor to reveal the fact that if writ on water, then I shall hold true to every word that it will give me immense amount of happiness to take part in the conference. What are you joking me? Don't, you know, fool around with sentences. So avoid exaggeration, avoid repetition. बहुत लोग हैं एक ही जब जो सब you write those application for attendance modification to your class advisors, you often have this habit of mentioning over and over uh, the word I request you ऐसे बार बार लिख देते हो, therefore को बार बार लिखते हो. uh, Avoid all these kind of things. And बहुत बार एंड लिखते हो, ये इतना बार एंड नहीं लिखती, सेंटेंस को तब काट दो, छोटा करके फिर लिखो. Try to, grow certain practices. So what can you do for that purpose? You can use, um, you can use transitional. नहीं, यहाँ पे आपको ट्रांजिशनल सिग्नल्स का जरूरत नहीं है, आपको वो क्लैरिटी में यूज करना. सो मेक योर एलिमेंट ऑफ राइटिंग प्रिसाइज. हाँ, ensure unanimity, or unanimity नहीं, ensure singularity in theme of subject. अगर आप जो भी आपका मुद्दा है उस मुद्दे को डायरेक्ट लिखो, उस पर ही लिखो, उसके अलावा और कहीं इधर उधर ऐसा नहीं. ठीक है, in political arguments this happens, people digress. So avoid digression. ठीक है, people digress a lot in political arguments. Do not digress in writing emails. If you talk about, suppose you are talking about the quality of food is bad in the mess, then talk about that. Don't say that, the AC does not work in classrooms if you are writing a letter to the authorities. ऐसे मत करो. Third point, clarity. Clarity में what I would like to say is, uh, it deals with, not being vague. I agree. Uh, Apart from that, what, by clarity I mean you have to avoid complex expressions. Use short and simple sentences. ये प्रिसिशन में भी इसको यूज कर सकते हो, ये पॉइंट को आप कॉन्साइसनेस में भी यूज कर सकते हो. शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल सेंटेंसेस लिखना जरूरी है. एंड देन यूज ट्रांजिशनल सिग्नल्स, पैराग्राफ चेंज. समझ में आता है कि ब्रेकेज ऑफ थॉट, आई मीन प्रोग्रेशन, नॉट ब्रेकेज, प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ थॉट हो रहा है. अब हम नए मुद्दे पे बात करेंगे ऐसे करके. तो एक होता है इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी में इंट्रोडक्शन होता है, सेंट्रल मैटर होता है, इंक्लूजन होता है. तो सब कुछ एक ही पैराग्राफ में लिख दोगे तो समझ में नहीं आएगा कि क्या शुरुआत था क्या खत्म, मतलब बस मोनोटोनस हो जाएगा. फिर है, हाँ, you also use appropriate linkers. So appropriate linker, hence therefore by using all these words, hence therefore or by using the expressions like with regard to your with regard to the advertisement number, this, so you are using it as a parameter of reference, and then you are talking. So therefore, you are using it as a linker with regard to advertisement number. फलाना, I want to apply for this job. तो ऐसे करके आप लिखते हो. Fourth point is singularity. Singularity theme. Don't overload your subject. Please keep these things in your mind. ऐसा नहीं है कि क्योंकि ऑफलाइन में हो रहा है तो you don't require to remember these. Overload the subject line with different एग्जाम्पल. एक दे रहा हूं. What I can do is delete it. हाँ, अब ये इसको देखो. अगर सब्जेक्ट आप ऐसे लिखते हो, if this is your subject of a meal, एक तरफ खाने के बारे में, जो खाना बनाया जाता है उसके बारे में कंप्लीट कर रहे हो, दूसरी तरफ ट्री मेंटेनेंस, ट्रीज जो है यहाँ पे. तो भाई या तो डॉक्टर को बुलाओ या फिर नाई को बुलाओ, दोनों में से कोई एक को बुलाओ. So this is a very bad, example. This does can never work. So you cannot say कि I this is not working. Sorry. तो ये तो पूरा का पूरा रेड हो गया. चलो. So this is a very bad example. So I have to obviously cut down. And if I am speaking about food quality, I have to say, so regarding poor food quality, and you are writing a message to someone. So this is singularity in theme, and the last point that is there of characteristics for a good email is conversational tone. Less formal and less structured than business letters and memos. Um, the personal there is a personal touch involved. You know, when you talk in this fashion, when you try to extract a response, and by extracting a response, I mean to say, जब आप ऐसे लाइंस लिखते हो, देखना मेल्स में पढ़ोगे, looking forward in anticipation. Yeah, looking forward to your response in anticipation. Yeah, we'll be looking forward in anticipation. Whatever. This will be, this will work wonderfully. It will work miracles. So keep these things in your mind. Do not lose tracks of these kind of examples. You use examples in your answers, but these topics, these points are essential. What are you trying to say when you are saying conversational tone? Then what you do is write. In this first module I was seeing, the problem was you were having the points in your mind, but what to write in those points you are not knowing. So what you are doing? Suppose you have written correctness, conciseness. You can. I'll just edit it. Once. Uh, So here what you do is emails should have correctness. Emails should have conciseness. Emails should have clarity. Emails should have singularity. Emails should have conversational tone. And the mark for there it is a 4 mark question. Suppose it is asking for something more. So just explain it. What do you understand by that? If possible, give an example. If not possible, then it's okay. So try to just say in uh, conciseness, try to remove wordiness. Now in wordiness, whenever you break uh, you know really long sentence into two small sentences, you have eliminated wordiness. So try to add to that structure. So this is characteristics of a good email. Now, coming to format, मैं भेज रहा हूँ ना, नहीं, तब पहले सेंडर नहीं होगा, पहले होगा रिसीवर का एड्रेस, ठीक है. First you will write the receiver's address, then follows the sender's address, then you have the date, then you have the subject, then you have salutation, body, closing, and if that person carries a signature in his or her mail, that is going to be there. So you have to think of this pattern as a Bible form. तो हम लोग पहले क्या देखते हैं, हम लोग देखते हैं from को, then what we find is to, then now in date you find date. This is how, see, your email. Oh, I missed certain parts. After date there is the CC, CC, and if you want you can put the BCC as well. This is how the construction, see, an official email construction. This is how it stands as. I just forgot the colons. And then you start off with the salutation, that is dear sir or respected sir, comma. This should come. Then in the body, whatever is the purpose of writing that email, that is there, and then you put the closing, regards and thanking you, thanking you, then you can try in your keep in mind, you don't write your name, you don't reveal your name on the answer sheet, even you don't reveal your name of your friends. So it has to be something like ABC, Suddenly I got disconnected. Sorry. How do you compose a mail? So from I had already given you that part. I'll just from में कैसे लिखोगे देखो. फ्रॉम वाला पार्ट रहेगा एक्स वाई. नहीं पहले तो टू रहता है ना. हाँ, पहले रिसीवर्स एड्रेस रहता है पहले टू. तो टू रहता है अगर पहले देन यू राइट लाइक you are sending a mail to xyz. This is how write it. xyz1 at gmail dot. ठीक है. This is from again. Now how do you write that? डे भी लिखा जाता है. So you write, you can write like this. Man, okay. Uh, Suppose I'm writing a fictitious date. I don't know if it is, really falling into that category or not. Time is also written. I mean, you don't lose marks for this. If you write the time, you don't lose marks. You will gain marks. Remember that. 10, 22, 25. 25 is seconds, for seconds, obviously. One essential thing. Uh, okay. Yes, I. this network keeps on disconnecting me and reconnecting me, then I'll be able to write nothing over here. I think I better open my Word file. Yes, this will be. Now you can see whatever I am going to write. So from क्यों है पहले टू आता है so from date uh, so you have suppose you have written this is how it is 2028. What is the you don't have to stay in the current year. What if it is not there? Then you mention the time 10:25:47. Jump onto CC and again you can write a fictitious email ID. Doesn't matter whether it is correct or incorrect. Then you jump onto the next one where you are writing a subject and then the body is there. अच्छा subject में suppose your or you are writing an email seeking a job at a particular company. Your suppose the job is for the post of an automation analyst. So you will say now you come to dear sir, comma. One important thing, my students, I have not yet mentioned that there are different kinds of mails. Sometimes you send mails, you know, as a mark of condolence. Suppose somebody has passed through a difficult phase and you just want to mention that you are lending your support to that person. So that kind of mail is there. There are mails for, you know, for the post, I mean, for vacancies, you're applying for vacancies. There are mails pertaining to uh, you know complaints. There are mails of queries, I mean inquiry, email of inquiry. So you have some query, you ask someone something. There are emails pertaining to uh, you know letter of sales, emails of credit. All of them are there. However, later, you know email of very rarely do we issue uh, you know email of credit. Normally, letters of credit are issued, and they are not issued, they are rather posted. However, nowadays we see them passing through emails as attachments. That is why email of credits can also appear. अब ये हो गया यहाँ पे. You have to now, every email carries a stock of phrases. For this kind of mail, the stock phrases I am mentioning, the rest of the part, you know what you have to write. I will also give you certain other examples of such mails and their stock phrases as well. So you should, when you are given a question, you should be able to answer, and these phrases should appear. And obviously you have to full as full sentences. मैं तो बता दे रहा हूँ कि इतना तक होना चाहिए, ये स्केलेटन होना चाहिए, फिर उसमें बाकी भर देना. बट ऐसे खाली मत छोड़ देना. जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ वही लिख के छोड़ दिए, ऐसा मत करना प्लीज. That will be terrible. So here, for this kind of email, what are the lines that you, what are the stock lines you have? Application for the post of automation analyst. Let me write it like, number one, what do I need to write? Full stop. Second, this is on the fulfillment of eligibility. If you are fulfilling the eligibility norms, then you inform them that uh, I fulfill the eligibility as I mean required as per the demands of the advertisement. So I want to inform you that I fulfill all the norms stated in the eligibility column. You mentioned that. Okay. Then what is the third sentence you write? Now in this one, you mention that I am sending my now you change the para, please change the para over here, and then you say, then you say, um, These are the, and then obviously the complimentary closing, comes without saying. Regards. You can say, sir, why didn't you write it like a normal, email? Then what are you supposed to do? एक पर्टिकुलर पैसेज तो लिखना आना चाहिए. मैंने पैराग्राफ ब्रेक कहाँ करना है वो भी मैंने दिखा दिया. By this small space over here between point 3 and 4. Now, what was the name of this person? This was the name, and that is all. Okay, this is for application for job purposes. These are the stock phrases. The four stock phrases are normally seen. Suppose you are writing mail of complaint. अगर complaint है, complaint के लिए, तो normally what are the lines that you should use? Suppose Amazon has sent a faulty delivery to you. How will you? What are the lines that I mean? What are the phrases you use? Remember, all these are very essential. Language is immensely powerful. रख दीजिए. Uh, okay, I guess it's already time, so I have lost that time I had. It's already time, huh? Okay, thank you then. Thank you then, students. I'll move on with the next. This part is good. Okay, I have arrived at the end. Well, I'll give you the phrases only, and rest you can deal. So, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.